data import. In addition to the CD import, there are other ways to import data. DICOM data can be selected as a folder via the source. These data can then be forwarded to the correct archive using DICOM send. If, on the other hand, you want to import files that do not conform to the DICOM standard, the file import function can be used for this. If you click on the File Import button, the import dialog will open. This window can also be accessed via the mouse context menu. The dialog will now offer the following areas and options for importing. Displaying the file path from where images are being imported. The last used storage location is always displayed here. A button for selecting a path for the import, which we can use to select the import folder of our file system. We now get an image preview and can select the image to be imported with a left click. The image will then be marked with a red flag. You can also select the preview size from the drop-down menu. There are various import options available to us in the lower area. By checking this box, you have the option of automatically deleting the original images after the images have been safely imported. Selecting the first radio button saves the data to be imported as a new study for the currently selected patient. The next radio button saves a new series within the currently selected study for this patient. The third radio button saves an object in the series already previously selected in the organizer. With the last radio button, you can assign the object to a new patient and save it as a new study. However, to do this, you also need to select the target archive via the drop-down menu. Here, we will select the import tray and click on OK. Since, with our image, we are creating a new study for a patient that does not yet exist, another user interface will open up to collect additional information that is needed. As when editing data, a leading system, such as INRIS, can be queried here to obtain patient information. There is also a work list entry for this import. So, we can select this via Import Data and confirm our selection. The new images will now be merged with the work list entry. We also confirm the edits by pressing OK and our image will be displayed under the new patient in the EMR organizer. You can also import image data from the Windows clipboard in this way. To do this, right-click with the mouse on the result lists again and, in the context menu, select the import from the clipboard. If your image is not displayed here, you can copy it to the clipboard again and reload the contents of the window by clicking on the refresh button. By holding down the left mouse button, you can drag a rectangle in the image, going from top left to bottom right, if you want to import only a specific region of the image. In this case, we have already selected the correct patient. We will therefore create a new series for the patient and confirm our import with OK. We receive the patient data of the patient whom we had selected in the EMR organizer for us to check. We can likewise confirm this. Our new image will be assigned directly to the patient.